Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Homemade Beauty where we show you some amazing remedies for your skin and hair concerns with products that you can easily find in your kitchen. Today I'm going to show you 3 foot scrubs that are going to pamper your feet and leave them feeling soft and moisturized. Hope you guys like this video. Tune in next week for another episode of Homemade Beauty. And while you're at it, make sure you check out the POPxo shop. We have some amazing things out there. We have fanny packs, makeup pouches, notebooks, and a lot more. Click on the link in the description box below to make sure you check that out. And for more skincare, hair care, and makeup tutorials, keep watching POPxo Daily. Bye.